Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Miss Sadia Naqvi and I'm back with coding classes, and today is the day 2 of coding for 360 days. Okay, so in our previous class we discussed about HTML, what's the full form of it, and what are two types of coding languages. First is markup and second is programming, and we discuss about that. So now today we're gonna learn more about HTML so that it could be easy for you to understand. So I am here with some of the points. So first of all, the acronym of hypertext markup language is HTML. They're in the first line. They're saying in the first point they are saying that the full form of HTML is hypertext markup language. Okay, that we have discussed in our last class. The second point is that the common markup language for building websites is HTML. Like HTML is a very common website through which you can build websites. Okay. The third point is saying that HTML explains how a web page is put together. Like HTML is a base, okay, through which you can easily make a web page and a better web page and a perfect web page. Then the fourth point is that HTML is made up of several elements. Like HTML has so many elements, so we can easily say that it is made up of several elements. Then HTML components instruct the browser on how to present the material. So its components are just like that. They instruct the browser like we write the prompts and then uh, they present the material. Okay. So through a coding, the material is being presented. Then the content is identified by HTML elements such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, and so forth. Like the content, the prompts in HTML, like whatever we write, for example, if we write h, so it will represent that this is the heading. For example, if we write p, so it will represent that this is the paragraph. If I will write a space href hyperlink reference, so what does it mean? This is so it also means that it is a link. So this was the thing that we learned about the HTML, and now we will do coding. As I said that we will start now coding. So first of all, this is your screen. Now you will go on the search bar and then search Notepad. Okay, after searching Notepad, open it and now see. So first of all, we start with the tag of HTML. HTML. Okay, HTML. Uh, it is the basic thing, and after HTML opening, so this is called an opening tag. Okay, and if we will add slash in this in the tag, in a tag, so it will be called a closing tag. Okay, so there's another thing that people do, like they write this doc type HTML. Okay, you can write, it's up to you if you want, because every time when you do coding in Notepad, so you have to write, you have your file have to be a html file. So this coding will help you, like doc type HTML will help you your doc file to be automatically in HTML. But you can also go on file here and then uh, go on save as. Then here it will be written txt. You have to remove it and you have to name whatever you want to. For example, I'm naming it pollution. Okay, so let's do it on pollution dot html. Okay, then here you will click on all files instead of text document txt. Otherwise your document will be ruined. Okay, so now click on save and now it's saved. If you will write nothing here, so there is a nothing anywhere, So now after HTML, so HTML closing tag comes in the end of all the codings. Okay. Then comes the head tag. There's another. So again, there's a head opening tag and closing tag. So in head, uh, for now, only title comes. For now, I'm only saying that for now, only title comes. When we move ahead, so there will be many things that will come in head, but up till now, in head title comes. So title, where does its title show up? For example, I have written pollution, then title, close bracket. So now I am, so now I need to open this pollution.html file to see it's now opened here. Now, so where your title is coming here, pollution.html, because I have saved it like this. But why pollution.html is coming? Why not only pollution is coming? See, if there any mistake of me, we have written, we have done this because either you can name your, you have an option, you can't do both. Okay, either you can name your file with the .html, or either you can write this coding. Okay, so as I have named my file with .html, so now if I will do control s and then if I will reload it, so see, pollution is now, so see, there's no .html with it. Why? Because we were uh, writing we were writing .html with both the things. Like if we are having both options, first is you can, through one code, one tag, you can do your file of .html, and second you can name it. Okay, so there are two options for you. If you will do both, so it will be bad for you. So I think you should con- continue with writing .html while renaming it. Okay, so now there here comes the body tag. So body tag also have a opening tag and a closing tag. So we will close it here. Before HTML closing tag, body closing tag comes. Okay, you have to keep that in mind. So now today we're gonna learn headings, paragraphs, and our like references. Okay, image sources. Okay, so first of all, if you want to do a heading, so for example, this is a heading. I'm writing it really speedily so that you can, I will be able to teach you. Five. Okay. So basically, there are three. So basically, there are six fonts of heading. Okay. So H1 is biggest one and H6 is the smallest one. Okay. So H6 is the biggest one. No, H6 is the smallest one and H1 is the biggest one. So you'll get to see it when I'll be done with it. Okay. So now these are done, then control s, then if you reload, so see this is coming, this is a heading, this is a heading, this is a heading. Instead of writing this is a heading, you can write another thing. So these are the fonts. I was just showing you the fonts, okay? So now if you want to write a paragraph, so how you will do? So paragraph, we represent paragraph with p, we represent heading with h, and we represent paragraph with p. So for example, if I'm writing pollution is damaging our lives, okay, then we will so there is another closing tag of p also. So now if I'll reload it, so see it's coming, pollution is damaging our lives, because we are writing about pollution, so that's why. Now if you want to upload a picture, if you want to upload a picture, so how would you? So basically you would write image source is equals to, then inverted comma. So now you will go on Google Images. So here you can search anything related to your topic. It's all up to you. Okay, so I'm going on pollution, and for example, if let's take another picture from. Okay, so let's take this one. Okay, so now there are two options for you. First is copy link address, and second is copy image address. So we will go on copy image address, then it is copied, and then we will do control v. So your link can be long, okay, so it doesn't matter if it's long or short. Okay, if you want to change the width or height, I will also teach you that, okay, but not today, because we are doing right now basics of all basics. So now control s, then if you will reload here, so see a picture is here. So this is what we learned today. This was the basics, like how you can do the heading, how you can do the paragraphs. Okay, so inshallah tomorrow we will move ahead to our another topic. So see you in my next class, and I hope we will be able to cover all of that we are learning right now. uh, and also the HTML, because it's a challenge for 360 days next, and we are having now 358 days. So I hope you will collaborate with me. And now see you in my next video. Till that, take care. Bye bye.